Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, classy and stylish ideas of hand embroidery. All of these beautiful, colorful embroidery patterns of flowers are easy to make and they could be designed as per your choices, as per your interest. Like you can make these beautiful patterns of embroidery for hoop art, for designing your dresses, for designing your baby girl dresses. And the scope is not only limited to this, you can also use it for making home decor like cushion cover, pillow cover, quilt cover, bedsheet covers, table mat covers, and different type of DIY accessories like mobile cases, like glasses cover. Like you can also use these patterns into mini patterns for making your pendants or any type of handmade hand sewn embroidery. You can also design your already existing in use plain fabric dresses or shirts by making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto them. The scope is not only limited to this, the scope is vast and creative and as per your choices of interest, that how you want to design them and how you want to recreate their beauty to give them a more enhanced and creative deep look. So guys, this was the basic idea that how you can use these embroidery patterns. I have one more simple request that please do comment in the comment section that which design you like the most and why, and do share your experiences with us that if you try our designs. Guys, I have already told you, mentioned this concept in my previous videos that the basic content, the basic idea of making these videos is to share beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery and creative patterns. The basic intent or the purpose is not to share someone's work or to reclaim someone else's work as our own. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can also subscribe from many other devices as much as possible so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members because subscribers are important and with your love and support we have reached at this level. Guys, on my channel you can get all type of beautiful uh, DIY ideas related to hand embroidery, handwork, hand art. Like you can get amazing ideas related to gents dresses, male dressing, uh, home decor ideas, latest up to date, beautiful easy patterns of hand embroidery for different creative purposes. And if you want to learn basic embroidery stitches, then go to my channel's playlist, hand embroidery tutorials for beginners. There you can get step-by-step guide for making beautiful patterns of embroidery. So as a beginner, you must need to know one to two embroidery stitches and your whole classy stylish work would be done. And you could create a beautiful hand embroidery pattern of your own by sitting at your home instead of spending a lot of money on handmade, hand embroidered designer, highly priced, high tagged dresses. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. With this, allow me to leave and hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos. Up till then, take care.